Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have a haul for you guys today. It's a collective one. But first I want to share some happy mail that I received from Flechia, who is FP Handmade here on YouTube. Hi hun, and thank you so very much. So she sent me some stamps that she had got, and she was sharing with a few people. And I was one of the lucky ones she shared with, and these are so cute. So let me just share a few with you guys. So there's some with butterflies and dragonflies. There's even some for France. Look how pretty they are. I love them. Mushrooms. Hope y'all are seeing them. And I'll explain my background in a minute. And like I've told y'all before, and to my new subscribers, I used to live in Italy, so there are a few that are Italy. Look at that. So that is really cool. So thank you so much, hun, for sharing with me. I appreciate you. So I went to Hobby Lobby, and y'all know I just got my craft room, and so I need stuff for my wall. So you can't really tell what this is, but it's a heart, and it's in the shape of a heart, like I said, and it has butterflies all in the heart. And everything that has the springtime, whatever it says on the back, what does it say? It says the spring shop is half off. So this was $19.99. I got it for $9.99, and it's a canvas. It's on a canvas, and it is so pretty. So I wanted to kind of show y'all what it looked like. And I will do a room tour once I am finished, but it's going to take a couple weeks. So then I found this. So there's the top of it, and it says blessed on wood planks. And that's my favorite color. And I just loved it and had to have it. This was $19.99. And it has the spring shop, so I got that for $9.99. So I actually got like 2 for 1. So I was pretty impressed with that. I did find this paper pad, which I love. So it's buffalo check, and they had it for $5.49, and you get 180 sheets. And it is the, you know, the paper, but I am fine with that because I do layers, and that is awesome. Look at all those colors you get. Here, I'll just show y'all really quickly. And you get different sizes. 3 different sizes of each color. Isn't that pretty? I love Gingham. I mean, yeah, Gingham. Buffalo check, whatever. Isn't that pretty? So I grabbed that one. And the only other 2 things I got, I found this Cardstock Pad Pack for $2.24 from $8.99. It's their brights, and they look like this. And then I grabbed their pastels they had for $2.24, and they look like this. And I was like, you can't pass up cardstock for $2.24, and it's the heavyweight. So you get, it's a 50 pack, both of them. And that's all I got from Hobby Lobby. I didn't need all of that other stuff they were trying to sell. So I didn't waste my money. Then I went to Dollar Tree, and I found these. And I think they're going to be so cool for Christmas to do like a little thing inside. So they're the cloches, high cloche dome. And I got 2 of them. I think they'll be so fun to decorate inside and make something fun for Christmas. And then I needed some of the pump spray bottles, and I was so lucky to find some. So I grabbed a pack of that. I was in need. Then I found these heart boxes, and I thought these would be so cute to alter and put in Happy Mail. They're so cute. So I got 3 of those. And then I picked up this lace they had, which was in like a beige. I thought it was really pretty. So I grabbed that as well. And that was it I got at Dollar Tree. Then on Amazon, I found an excellent deal. So they had all of this lace. There's 14 different laces and in different kinds and different sizes. And like this one has a heart, if y'all can see that. Heart one. This was only $10.89. And you get, I think it's 40 yards of lace. You cannot beat that. It was like $11 shipped. It's free shipping if you're a Prime member. So I have to share that. If you're interested in the link, let me know and I will give it to you. Okay, so isn't that awesome? You cannot beat that for lace. So I grabbed that. And then I went to My Mind's Eye and I got this Gingham Gardens paper pad. And I originally saw this on Jill Norwood. Hi, Jill. And I had to have it. This paper is so pretty. It's double-sided and this is thick paper. It is so beautiful. I saw a lot of people were getting it from Hobby Lobby in the 12 by 12, but I could not find it. I wish I could have, but I didn't see it there. But very pretty papers. So grabbed that. And then I went to MayMayMadeIt.com and she just came out with this stamp set. And it is called, does it have a name? Let me look. His Pathway. And it says, where you go, I will go, Ruth 116. We don't know where the road leads, but we know he is already there. He will make your path straight, Proverbs 3:6. Route John 3:16. Stop and pray, praying with you on this journey. Follow the road God called you to travel. And I love these trailers, and this car is everything. And I love the sentiments, so I had to pick this up. So yeah, I got this from MayMayMadeIt. And I also got this from MayMayMadeIt. She has the metal tips for your glue. I used my art glitter glue, so I love these. So I also picked up that. Then I went to Tuesday Morning and I found this die, this little heart scallop die, and I thought it was so cute. I don't have anything like it. So I picked that up, and then I found this basket. I'm going to use this as my waste basket. It looks like this. It's a decent size, and that's the inside. And it has like little bows, and I'm going to put a plastic bag in it for my garbage. And that's how much it cost, in case you're interested. But it is so stinking cute. I love it. And then the last thing I got from Tuesday Morning, and they went up on the fabric. So I found these. These are so cute. I love this red. And then there's that one and that one. Isn't that pretty? So they were $5.99, now they're $6.99. They just keep going up and up and up. And lastly, I went to JoAnn, and they have their paper 10 for 2, their open stock paper. The 79 cents, and yeah, the 79 cent is 10 for 2. So I got $6 worth. So let me just show y'all really quickly what I got. And this is thick. Has little felt polka dots on it. And then I got this blue plaid, purple, another blue, a yellow, this reddish orange, and a green. And then I got this one, this plaid. I got these lemons with the gingham in the background. I thought that was really pretty. I got this pink, and this red, and this yellow, and this pink, and this red, and then I got this Halloween one. And then I got some for summer. I got this watermelon. I got this watermelon. I got a pineapple. I got this little crab. I thought he was so cute. I got this floral one. I love the little florals. I got strawberries because I love them. And I got this strawberry here. Let me show you. Isn't that cute? Tiny ones. I got this floral with the wood. I got this one that's kind of more Christmassy. I got this umbrella one, which I think this one was stuck to something because I don't even remember getting this one. I got this text one, or dictionary. I got this wood one and this wood one. And that was the open stock paper I got. Then they had their Park Lane, their $2.49 bin was 40% off. So I got 2 of these hollow papers. I got 2 of those, and then I found it in gold. So I got those for 40% off. And then I found in the clearance, I found this Tim Holtzcraft stock papers, and I really like his paper. I love the colors of this, and the back is craft. You get a lot of different colors. So loved that, and that was $7.97. And then the last thing I got was another magazine, and I love it. It's gnomes. You know, guys, I love bees and gnomes. Oh my gosh. So it's a garden gnome set, Daisy May design. It's Creative Stamping, issue 94. Let's see. It was $22.99, and the magazine has a whole bunch of examples and tutorials on how to make cards for it. Let me show you the stamp set. So this is what you get. You get all these flowers, a wishing well, a wheelbarrow, a watering can, these daisies, mushrooms, all these different flowers, a snail, butterflies, this little wood stump with the home, his little gnome home, a little basket, some dandelions, some more butterflies, dragonfly, a bird, shovel. There's something over here. It says, life is better in the garden. With lots of love on your special day. Wishing you well. Happy birthday. There's no place like Gnome. Have a happy day. Just because. And I don't know what it says over here. I haven't opened this yet. I just got it today. And then you get paper. And it's a decent paper. And it's 8.5 by 11. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I love it. You get a lot of it. I think it repeats. No, maybe not. Yeah, I think it's repeating. So you get a lot of the paper. This is nice. And then, like I said, in the magazine, you get examples of what to make with it. Like on the back. And on the inside. in case you're curious. Look at that. And it tells you how to create it, which you need. Here's another one. Let's see what else. Look, oh, they did a cloche for him. That's cute. Oh, maybe. Let's see what else I can find really quick in case you want to see. Oh, here we go. There you go, guys, in case you wanted a sneak peek. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.